Hello, this is Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger with another California report. Now, over the last few weeks, I've been working with the lawmakers to close California's $24 billion deficit. There's no more time to waste. If we do not have a budget solution, the state controller has said that we will run out of money by the end of July. As I've said, California's budget solution has to be about much more than just making devastating cuts to all those different programs. We must use this crisis as an opportunity to make government much more efficient, which is a much better option than raising your taxes. We can stretch taxpayer dollars and still provide the safety net for our most vulnerable citizens. For instance, we can save close to $2 billion a year by bringing Medi-Cal into the 21st century. Right now, Medi-Cal costs are rising 8% a year. 10% of our Medi-Cal patients account for 3/4 of all the costs. If we move some of those patients into managed care, we can improve the coordination of services, reduce costs by hundreds of millions of dollars a year, and also provide a higher quality of care. We can also centralize processing for Medi-Cal and food stamps, saving more than $1 billion annually. Right now, eligibility is handled by 27,000 workers in our 58 counties. We can get the job done using just a fraction of those workers by moving just to a paperless, web-based system. And we can eliminate confusion and make the system user-friendly at the same time. And here's another story. This week, the San Diego Union Tribune also wrote about a massive fraud in our in-home support services. If we just require fingerprints or background checks, we could identify those who are receiving benefits under multiple identities. I say, let's change the law to give us more of the tools to root out all of that fraud and abuse. The legislators should also consider saving tens of millions of dollars by using electronic reporting in our courts. And they should also look at consolidating all of our various procurement operations within our state agencies and departments. This would save another $140 million a year. Now, these reforms add up. They add up to billions of dollars that could be used for health care or for education or public safety, which is so important. I know that some of these proposals won't be popular with the special interest groups, but we must always ask ourselves that question. Were we sent to Sacramento to protect those who deliver the services or those who receive the services? Well, I think it should always be those that receive the services. California taxpayers demand that our state spends the money in the most cost-efficient way possible. Taxpayers need to know that their hard-earned dollars are not wasted on inefficiencies or mismanagement. This is not the time to look inside the taxpayers' wallets for budget answers. This is the time to look inside California's government for more efficiency. That's what this is all about. So again, thanks very much for listening, and thank you for watching.